Hey guys, so for today we're just gonna go ahead and review morphology. So morphology is talking about how do you form words and how do you pronounce words, okay? I know that we went over these, but I just wanted to go ahead and make a video for you. So morphology, how do you form and pronounce words? The standard here, and basically will be also your objective, is that you identify sounds and you know how to form words, okay? And this is called phonología y morfología, which is phonetics and morphology, which is about identifying sounds and also forming words. Okay, some essential questions that you have to ask yourself is, what are the sounds of the vowels? Which ones are the strong vowels? Which ones are weak vowels? And how do I pronounce words with a combination of vowels? And then also, I forgot to add in here, how do you form words? Remember that you form words with when you break them down into syllables. And I also want you to, when you are reading, I want you to break down the words into syllables so that way it's easy for you guys to pronounce. Okay. And here will be, I can recognize the sounds of the vowels and other alphabet sounds. I can separate words into syllables. I know how to pronounce words with a combination of weak vowels. These will be the adjectives. Okay. And then for this video, I ask you to watch the video and pay attention to the sounds. Please make a flashcards with these 5 sounds. You already did it. And then here, remember that all I am asking is for, all I'm asking guys is to look with with your finger. This is super important because this is actually how you recognize the letter with the sound. You recognize the letter with the sound. And like I told you, yes, we're learning the names. For now, just focus in the sounds. And what I want you to do right now, just focus in the sounds of the vowels, okay? And we're gonna build up. We're gonna build up with this book that we're working on. Again, guys, this is for you guys to recognize the letter with the sound. Make sure that you're recognizing the letter with the sound because this is going to help you when you are reading and when you are pronouncing, okay? All right, beautiful. Also for this one, guys, I know that we have like 4 different lessons, but I actually went ahead and just cut one because I think it's a lot of info. So just as a review, remember that the strong vowels are a, e, o. Weak vowels are I, u. Okay. And then when you have 2 strong vowels in a word, when you have a combination of vowels and they are 2 strong vowels, go ahead and put them in separate syllable. Okay. So we know that e and a, they are strong vowels, so we separate them into different syllables. So we have in here some example. Tarea, paseo, okay? Also, when you have a combination of strong vowels, when you have a combination of vowels and one is a strong vowel and the other one is a weak vowel, they are called diphthongo and they stay in the same syllable. So observe the diphthongo in the second syllable, which is limpiar. Okay, so I have limpiar. So you have in here 2 syllables versus tarea, right? So just remember, when you have 2 strong vowels, you separate it into different syllables. We have tarea, we have paseo. When you have a combination of a weak and a strong vowel, they stay in the same syllable, limpiar. Okay? So go ahead, and if you didn't make flashcards with this, go ahead and make flashcards with this as well. Only these 3 lessons. And go ahead and make flashcards with the sounds of the vowels. Okay. Then this was what you guys, I asked you guys to watch this, and also you made this video. If you haven't made it, go ahead and do it. I want you guys to go ahead and repeat. So this is a great resource. I want you guys to go ahead and use this resource. I want you to go ahead and repeat, to click and repeat. So here we have, see? Go ahead and repeat after that. So, A.
B. 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 C. C.
And you guys also here have the sound, so just go ahead. Let me see actually. Che.
D. E. G.
Oh, okay. And here they're giving you the name.
H.
Okay. And here they're giving you the name, but just that's okay. Just go ahead and review this. Go ahead and review. And I want you to focus in the sound. Mostly that in the name, because in here they're giving you the name. I want you to focus in the sound. So go ahead and like father. Okay, so just go ahead and just do a quick review here for this. If you want to take notes, you can take notes in your notebook or flashcards. For the students that don't want to take notes in a notebook, I want you to go ahead and use your flashcards. And this is just a review. Okay, this is just a review. So I just want you to go ahead and review. And here you have very well explained. So go ahead and do a review. Again, you can, if you feel like you haven't mastered this, go ahead and take notes of flashcards. All right. And then after this, guys, I just want you to go ahead and make a video. And I want you to continue reading where you were left on. So you did a video reading like for a minute in this book. So I want you to continue reading on. That's it. And then I want you to just get into the habit of also introducing yourself. Oh my gosh. Okay, so yeah, you just join here. And remember, you have to join with you. You have to join with the when you join, you have to join with your email. Okay, so just go ahead, you introduce yourself, and then you read for about 1 minute. I'm gonna go ahead and also put the link in these slides and the link of the book. I haven't put the link on the book. I'm gonna go ahead and add another here, and I'm gonna add the link. Just in case if you guys, like, what is this book? I'm gonna go ahead and put the link of the book in the next slide. I am also going to go ahead and add it into the folder for class work today, for the class work of today. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and add that, and that's it. Okay. And then finally, what I want you to do, I want you to go ahead and review the pronouns in here. I want to use this website. We're gonna use this website as a tool to review and study, because I feel like in here they have like really great explanations, and it's super cool. So we're not gonna go back and forth into a million links. We're gonna stay with this as a resource, to review. Okay, so this can be like your study guide. This website, because it's really great. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. So I want you to go ahead also and just go ahead and take notes. Whatever you feel like, okay, this is important for me to understand the concept. So go ahead and you can either take notes in your notebook, and if you don't like to take notes in your notebook, you can also use flashcards. Okay, you can use flashcards. So I just want you to go ahead. So in here, what you guys are going to be reviewing is the subject pronouns, the pronouns. Okay, and what basically the subject is the one that is doing the action. Okay, that's a subject. A subject, that's the action. So for example, Maria come bananos. Who is doing the action? Maria, because Maria is eating the bananos. Okay, so when we talk about the bananos, so she eats the bananos. So who is the subject pronoun? She, right? Because she's the one that is eating the bananas. That's it. Okay. And then in here, they give you some tools. So, and there is also an explanation of tu versus usted, formal versus informal. So just go ahead and read and take notes or whatever you think that it's important to you, or you feel like it's important. I just want you to go ahead and do like a quick review. Okay. Okay, guys. And after this, what I want you to do after this, just go ahead and go back into homeworks. If you're behind assignments, I want you to continue doing your assignments. Okay. And then That's it. If you have any question, just email me. Okay, if you have any question, just email me. All right? Okay, beautiful.